नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन मंडे ऑल द मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस फेस्ड अर्ली सेलिंग प्रेशर बट staged a strong recovery as the session progressed. By the close, the Nasdaq led the rebound with a 0.71% gain, while the S&P 500 rose 0.41% and the Dow edged up 0.08%. Technically, the major trend of the S&P 500 is bullish as it is quoting above its crucial moving averages. Going ahead, the index is likely to test the level of 6,000 followed by 6,080 in the short term. While on the downside, the zone of 5,880 to 5,860 will act as an immediate support for the index. Talking about Brent crude has been oscillating near its 20-day EMA level since the last 13 trading sessions. Going ahead, the zone of $65 to $65.2 is likely to act as a key resistance. On the downside, the zone of $63 to $62.8 is expected to provide immediate support. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index slipped by 0.74% on Monday and it is currently going below its crucial moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 99.4 to 99.6 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 98 to 97.8 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, the benchmark index Nifty opened with a gap down on Monday and slipped to an intraday low of 24,526 within the first hour of trading. The zone of 24,550 to 24,450 has acted as a key support area, with the index taking support here on three recent occasions. Once again, it found support in this zone and subsequently recovered nearly 200 points from the day's low. On the daily chart, Nifty formed a small bodied candle with a long lower shadow, signaling buying interest emerging from this crucial support zone. Interestingly, despite the correction in the frontline indices, the Nifty Midcap and Nifty Smallcap 100 have strongly outperformed, gaining 0.62% and 1.19% respectively on Monday. Considering the current chart structure, we believe they are likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. निफ्टी की क्रूजल लेवल्स की बात करें तो 24,800 से 24,840 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,840 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो शॉर्ट टर्म में 25,000 का लेवल टेस्ट करने की संभावना है। वहीं नीचे की तरफ 24,600, 24,570 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट रहेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,570 के नीचे स्लिप करता है तो अगला क्रूजल सपोर्ट 24,450 के लेवल पर है। On the derivative front, the May futures dipped by 0.18% while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also dipped by 0.34%. The 24,800 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 24,900 strike. On the put side, 24,700 has a substantial open interest followed by 24,600 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.67. Talking about Bank Nifty ended at a record closing high on Monday and it has given a consolidation breakout on a line chart which is a bullish sign. आगे चलकर 55,600 to 55,500 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा, जबकि ऊपर की तरफ 56,200 to 56,300 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल के रूप में काम कर सकता है। Talking about Sensex view, on Monday the benchmark index Sensex marked a low of 80,654 level and thereafter witnessed a gradual recovery. It has ended at 81,374 level with a minor loss of 0.09%. On a daily scale, it has formed a bullish candle with a long lower shadow which indicates buying interest at lower levels. आगे जाके 81,100 to 81,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वहीं ऊपर की तरफ 81,500 to 81,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक क्रूशियल हर्डल रहेगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.21% and the open interest of the current series has surged by 17.21%. The 81,500 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 82,000 strike. On the put side, 81,000 has a substantial open interest followed by an 80,500 strike. The OIPCR is at 0.71. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility gauge India VIX surged by nearly 7% on Monday. It has surged above its 50 and 100-day EMA level. Going ahead, the zone of 19.2 to 19.5 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while the zone of 15.5 to 15.3 will act as a crucial support. The advance decline ratio tilted in the favor of advances. Talking about the key sectors, the Nifty PSU Bank has strongly outperformed the frontline indices for the second consecutive trading session. Considering the current chart structure, we believe it is likely to continue its northward journey. The Nifty Capital Market Index marked a fresh all-time high on Monday and it has strongly outperformed the frontline indices. The momentum indicators and oscillators suggest strong bullish momentum in the index. Hence, we believe it is likely to continue its outperformance in the short term. Apart from this, sectors like Nifty private banks, financial services, and realty space are likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data in the cash segment, FI is sold to the tune of 2,589 crores, while the DI is bought to the tune of 5,314 crores. The FI's long-short ratio for index futures is at 18.73, as on a net basis they sold 5,382 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.